Hello, welcome to the next session of Microsoft Word. Well, today we will be learning two very important features of Microsoft Word, Navigation Pane and Go to Command. Yes, you thought it right. We are basically going to figure out how to navigate when you have already created a document and how to navigate inside that document and figure out where exactly which paragraph that you're looking for or the word or the image for that matter. So let's begin. So today, as I was saying, we will be learning navigation pane and go to command. What is navigation pane? Navigation pane helps the users in navigating to a page or heading without scrolling through the whole document. Well, let's say, for example, you have drafted a 50-page report. Now, you might need to figure out which paragraph will require certain changes. So let's say somebody has told you that this needs to be added after a certain paragraph. Are you going to be looking for it line by line, scrolling through all the pages to figure out where the paragraph is located? Absolutely not. One, it will take a lot of effort. Second, it is very time consuming. And third, you might miss out on that paragraph and have to restart again, going scrolling through all the pages. And you would not want to do that, right? Well, to save your time, Microsoft Word has navigation pane. So what exactly navigation pane does? Well, it has three features, mainly headings, pages, and result. What exactly is headings? Well, you use the headings to navigate through the document with the help of headings. If you click on headings, all the headings that are in the document will all get featured in the navigation pane. And there you can search for that particular heading and go to that page itself, that paragraph itself, and incorporate your changes. So that is headings. Next, we have the pages. So let's say all of the pages are numbered, right? And in this 50-page report, your 22nd page needs some changes, or somebody has put a comment there, or you might want to add an image there. What are you going to do? Will you be scrolling till the 22nd page? Well, no. You can navigate to that exact page with the help of pages feature in navigation pane. Next is result. Now, result is very similar to find and replace. And by the way, we will do find and replace in upcoming few sessions. So, result is very similar to find and replace. What you do is you navigate in the document with the help of text, number, images, etc. Yes. So, result is very similar to how find and replace work, where you look for a certain word or a certain number, and when you click on it you will get a list of where all the numbers are located or where is that word is located, and you can select the same. So let's see how navigation pane works. So we'll go to Microsoft Word. Now I have opened a document here. So since we are going to be looking for navigation pane, now can you remember from the last few classes where is navigation pane located? Well, if you have guessed it that it's in the view ribbon bar, you should pat your back because it is in the view ribbon bar. So when you are in the view ribbon bar, you can click onto the show and there you will see ruler, grid lines and navigation pane. Select your navigation pane and the navigation pane is here. As you see, the default, it's always headings. So all the headings which are there in the document have already been listed out here. Now, for example, I need to look for the heading called the report. Now, as you see, I have already got the highlighted ones where report is written. I can select the report that I was looking for. And here I have the report page. Now you also see the word have got highlighted here. Well, that means you know you are looking for this exact word as well along with the heading. So this is how the headings work. And if you also see that they will show that there are about 63 results. Yes, there are about 63 results if you type the word report. Now we will go to pages. As I was saying, how do you locate the page? Well, you have to put a page number and locate the page. For example, I can scroll here. And let's say I want to go to page 40. I'll be in page 40. I can remove this word. Go to page 13 if I want. Page 15. Can scroll through here as well. Can say, and there you go. I will land up where the word 20 is written. So you might just want to scroll from here itself. Now we can cross and we head over to results. Now let's say I'm looking for a certain word. Like I looked for reports, let's look for as you see, there are 42 times the word report a word has been used. And let's say I want to see which sentence is it working. So I can review it here itself. See, you will see the results. So there are about 79 times the word has been used. And you can go through the same. So you do not have to scroll through the main document. You can just scroll through from here and look for the document itself. So let's say I want to see unused words and I will land up here, right? If I want to check some other sentences, I can do the same. So slowly scroll down, make sure you're checking all the sentences here itself so that you are able to locate the sentence that you're looking for. And it works exactly like find and replace, but the only thing with find and replace, as you know, you need to keep on looking for the word. So you have to keep on clicking on enter. Here you do not have to do that. You can just scroll through with this navigation pane itself. You can just scroll through here itself and you will be able to land up in that sentence. See, this saves a lot of your time and effort, by the way. This will help you in saving time, in making sure that you're incorporating the things that are required more fast. It takes less effort as well. So you do not need to worry about, missing out on the task. So this is how navigation pane is useful. Anytime when you are creating a big work document, it is Word document, it is always better that you use navigation pane for the same. Yeah. So you won't be able to miss out on all the headings that has been created, on the changes that you would want to incorporate in, on the pages, and you can review the same much more easily. This is how navigation pane works. So right now that we have learned navigation pane, we are going to learn go to command. So let's begin. Is go to command. Go to command in Microsoft Word helps in sending the insertion pointer to a certain page, line, or to a certain section of the paragraph. So what does it do? This command helps you in sending the pointer, your mouse pointer, to where exactly the paragraph that you're looking for, to the line that you're looking for, or to the certain section of the paragraph that you're looking for. Now, the main function is it helps the users in navigating through the document easily. and it narrows down the navigation by sending the insertion pointer to a certain paragraph, footnote, or comment, right? So this is go to command. Now the first question which will arise in your head is navigation pane is also doing the same thing. Why would I use go to command? What happens is navigation pane, when you are looking for a, let's say, a certain word, you might not be looking into the document itself. You might want to find that certain word in a footnote. Go to command here helps you in narrowing down your searches, right? So go to command sort of helps you in saving more time and more effort when you know where exactly the word you're looking for and where it will be located. For example, you're looking for a certain bookmark. You're looking for a certain comment by a certain person who has said that this like let's say you've received a feedback where somebody has told you that a paragraph part is missing and that needs to be added. Now, out of all the feedbacks and the comments that you have received, because that is the most important one, it might get lost in the number of feedbacks and the comments that you have received for the document. What will you do? Is you will narrow down your search here. Once you use go to command, you can exactly look for the comment which that person has made by just looking for that person. Yes. So go to command saves more of your time if you know what exactly you're looking for and where exactly will it be located. So if you're looking for a certain footnote, go to command is your option. If you're looking for a certain comment, go to command is your option, right? So this narrows down your search a lot. So let's see where go to command is located. So we'll go back to Microsoft Word. We go to home and we will close the navigation pane right now. Yeah. You see find and replace in the home ribbon menu. Yes. You go to find and you will see find, advanced and go to. So again, I'll be showing you in the home ribbon menu, you go to the far right, click onto the drop down icon beside find and you select go to. Now, as you see, you have page, you have section, you have line, you have bookmark, comment, footnote, endnote, field, table, graphic, equation, object, heading, etc. Now that you have so many things, headings are something which is available in navigation pane also. But for example, page is also something which is available in navigation pane. Other than that, section, line, bookmark, comment, where you can actually add the reviewer's name here and look for the comment that they have put. A footnote, you might have a lot of footnotes when you are drafting a research paper or writing an article. You can look for the exact footnote that you're looking for from here. End notes. If you have added different fields in your article or research paper, you can look for it with the help of field, table, graphic, equations, objects, headings, etc. So this will really narrow down all your searches. All, even if you're looking, let's say for line number 45, you will land up in line number 45. If you're looking for the table number 2, you will land up in table number 2. But it really narrows down your search in that way. You will be able to exactly locate the line, the word that you're looking for with the help of go to command. And the search becomes more narrow. So there, like when we were looking for the, word with the help of, navigation pane, and we had put it in the results, you would see it would show 79 times. Here, when you put the exact footnote, you will land up in that footnote. You will land up in that bookmark itself. So you do not have to scroll through page wise here. Hope this really helps and hope you use navigation pane and go to command frequently to save time and figure out things in your document that needs to be incorporated or changes needs to be made, and also work on the same. Do practice it. And in case you want to know more about the two commands, please visit the support.microsoft.com, where you can learn more about the use of navigation pane. And also, please make sure that you finish your course on Microsoft Word, on Microsoft Learn, and earn some extra credits. Thank you.